Today we're stepping into one of the most iconic pieces of Las Vegas history. This isn't just another casino hotel, this is the Plaza, right at the heart of downtown on Fremont Street. If you want vintage Vegas vibes mixed with modern food and upgrades, this place has a story to tell. The Plaza Hotel and Casino opened in 1971 on the former site of the Union Pacific Railroad Depot, which once brought visitors into Las Vegas when the city was just getting started. Back then, Fremont Street was the Strip before the Strip became what it is today. It was originally called Union Plaza and was one of the largest hotels in the world at the time. Over the decades, it's seen everything: classic mob-era Vegas, the rise of mega resorts on Las Vegas Boulevard, and now the full revitalization of downtown. If you've ever watched classic Vegas films, you might even recognize it. The Plaza was featured in the James Bond film Diamonds Are Forever starring John Connery. Now we're approaching the Silver Dollar Bar. This spot is classic Vegas charm through and through. It's a relaxed place to grab a drink after exploring the casino floor with a mix of locals and tourists who all seem to find their way here. They've got a good selection of cocktails and beer, plus plenty of seating if you just want to take a break and people watch for a bit. Now, if you're looking for something more casual, Pop-Up Pizza is a downtown favorite. It's quick, affordable, and perfect after a long night on Fremont. Now we're approaching the William Hill Sportsbook. This is one of the most popular in downtown Las Vegas. This space packs all the excitement you'd want on game day: massive high-definition video walls, tons of comfortable seating, and of course, a classic Vegas bar just steps away. Next up, the Plaza Showroom, also known as the Core Arena and Theater depending on the event. The Plaza has hosted everything from comedy acts and musical performances to boxing matches and rodeos as its core arena outside. Inside, the intimate theater gives you that up-close and intimate feel. Now we're gonna head up to the second floor. One of the crown jewels here is Oscar's Steakhouse. It sits in the iconic dome overlooking Fremont Street, and the views alone are worth coming up here. Oscar's is named after Las Vegas Mayor Oscar Goodman, and it brings that vintage Rat Pack steakhouse vibe. Think prime rib, filet mignon, lobster tails, classic Vegas fine dining. Also on the second floor, they have the Wedding Chapel, Las Vegas Jerkies, the Bingo Hall, as well as some convention space. And now we're gonna head down to the main casino floor. You'll also find Hash House A Go-Go here, famous for massive portions and creative comfort food. Their twisted farm food concept means huge pancakes, giant chicken and waffles, and plates that barely fit on the table. Moving on to the registration area, you'll notice how the Plaza has balanced its classic charm with updated design. The artwork, lighting, and decor give a nod to its vintage roots, but with a fresh, welcoming vibe. The check-in area is conveniently located just off the casino floor, so you can go from grabbing your room keys to rolling the dice in minutes. Now here's something you might not know. The Plaza Hotel actually sits on the site of the original Union Pacific train station. In fact, when the Plaza opened in 1971, it included the Las Vegas Amtrak station right in the building. For years, it was the only train station in the world located inside a casino hotel. Amtrak service ended in 1997, but the space has been transformed in a really cool way. It's now home to the Plaza's fitness center. So if you're working out here, you're literally sweating in a piece of Las Vegas history. So if you're thinking about staying downtown instead of the Strip, the Plaza is one of those properties that blends history, character, and solid food options all in one place. It may not have the over-the-top extravagance of the mega resorts, but what it does have is authentic Vegas history, and sometimes that's exactly what you're looking for. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like and subscribe and let us know which historic Vegas property we should explore next.